Hello, everyone. I'm Jonathan, and welcome to another episode of Ventev Connected Voices. In today's HotSpot 10 episode, we have Suketu, who is our product line manager for DAS and passive accessories. Thanks for coming on again, Suketu.
Thanks for having me, Jonathan.
So, Suketu, tell us more about Ventev DAS portfolio.
Yeah, sure. So Ventev offers a strong DAS portfolio, providing enhanced wireless coverage in cellular and public safety DAS deployments. Our offerings include high-quality, high-performance antennas, passive accessories, including splitters, stappers, cables, connectors, customized jumpers, and more. We understand there are many challenges in DAS network design, from complex building structures to having a multi-operator, multi-technology architecture, and so forth, so on. Our DAS products are designed to alleviate these challenges while meeting growing demand of extended network connectivity and coverage in public safety and cellular networks. Our DAS portfolio is well suited to provide coverage in different buildings, from commercial to residential, enterprise, and university campuses, hospitality, hospitals, transportation hubs like airports, K to 12, high density venues like stadiums and arena, and many more.
So, I know we have seen some impressive growth in Ventev's in-building DAS antennas over the last year and have launched some great products. Tell us what goes into designing these antennas.
More in-building cellular DAS systems are designed to support multi-operator or shared architecture, which combines multiple technologies and frequency bands. So DAS antennas going into such environment not only need to be wideband supporting multiple frequencies, but also must be well designed with excellent specifications. We understand that how critical antennas need to be for having efficient DAS systems. For example, if you have a low beam antennas, then which are very critical in avoiding those potential intermod issues between the bands, or at least minimizing them. So that's why you got to have the well-designed, excellent specs on the antennas. Ventev antennas, when we talk about, I'll take some time to talk about our antennas. So our antennas feature a low beam multi-band design that offers excellent RF specs with each port supporting multiple frequency bands. So that gives our customer great level of flexibility and minimize installation errors. We take great care in every phase of designing and manufacturing these antennas to achieve the target specs, including low beam, return loss, isolations, and other specs. For example, we use high quality PCB substrate. We use low loss, low beam pigtails and connectors. Follow good manufacturing practices in soldering and at sub-assembly and assembly, final assembly levels. We want to make sure that our workspaces are cleaner to avoid contaminations. We want to make sure, for example, all the metals are burr-free and the edges are not sharp, and this list goes on. And top of it, all our DAS antennas go through testing prior to getting packaged and shipped. So as a result, we can able to deliver high performance antennas with homogeneous pattern and competitive specs to our customer. We also ensure that our antennas are designed for easy installations and look aesthetically pleasing. These are indoor DAS, so we understand aesthetic is a key for our customers. So they look aesthetically pleasing, giving minimal visual impact. And not to mention, all our indoor building antennas have platinum rated pigtails and use UL 94 rated flame retardant material.
So, Suketu, can you briefly touch on the types of antennas that we do offer?
Oh, absolutely. So over the past year, we launched several ultra-wideband models with omnidirectional and directional patterns in SISO and MIMO varieties with N-type and 4310 connector options. Our in-building ceiling mount omni antennas come in different radome shapes, giving our customers and building owners options to meet their aesthetic needs. Over the last year, we launched three different lines, right? Ultra slim line, and low profile line of antenna, ceiling antennas, and all covering from 600 megahertz to 6,000 megahertz of frequency range. We also launch slim contour antenna in SISO, which includes UHF band along with 600 to 6,000 megahertz of frequency range. And this UHF band supports public safety technologies like P25, Tetra, DMR, and we are seeing a good traction with this particular antenna. So that was our omni antenna. Our directional panel antennas come in different azimuth or horizontal beam width, and in different gain values, and can be mounted indoor and outdoor on wall or pole structures, and they come with bracket included, so customer do not have to go look for the right bracket. It basically comes with bracket. And finally, we have different high gain Yagi antennas, uh, a lot with the covers also, from narrow to wide beam varieties, wide beam width varieties. And as you know, a lot of these Yagis antennas use in DAS system as a donor antennas. We have good bit of, I think there are 5 or 6 different varieties of Yagis that we have, all having aluminum constructions with protective coating. These antennas again come with heavy duty bracket and can, since it's outdoor, so they are rated up to 150 miles per hour survival wind speed.
So I know Ventev also offers passive accessories, which are critical in distributing signals in any in-building DAS system. Can you talk about what Ventev offers?
All our passive accessories are made to highest standard, and our customers rely on them for efficient operations of wireless network. We currently offer tappers, splitters, attenuators, cables and connectors, and customized jumper assemblies. We are also working on launching soon the line of low beam attenuators and bringing some wider band splitters and some other accessories. Most of our products support wider bandwidth, allowing their use with single or multi-band antennas. Our line of tappers covers from 350 megahertz to 5930 megahertz of frequency range, and ideal for applications in public safety, bands in UHF, as well as 3G, 4G, LTE, 5G, FR1 bands in sub 6 gigahertz spectrum. It also includes mid-band and LAA, which is license assisted access. They have a very reliable design with ultra low beam, negative 161 dBc, and very low insertion loss. We have them available in different split ratios in N type and 4310 female connector options. And typically, we have them in stock. We also have a line of low and high power splitters, which evenly distributes power with minimal insertion and reflection losses. Again, very reliable design that our customers trust. And talking about attenuators that we are just launching in few weeks, these are coaxial attenuators, wider band design with high attenuation accuracy. So they cover from DC to 6 gigahertz, supporting public safety bands in VHF, UHF, 3G, 4G, 4G LTE, 5G, FR1, sub 6 gigahertz frequency bands. So in overall, Ventev offers very strong portfolio of passive accessories.
Are Ventev DAS products available in IB Wave?
Yes, all our DAS products are available in IB Wave in-building as well as Atoll in-building equipment libraries. Our customer can also download WAX files from our support page on our website, ventevinfra.com.
How can Ventev help, Suketu?
We believe in partnering with our DAS customers, small or big, and work very closely in meeting their project needs and timeline. We can customize our solutions. We can also offer kitting when it makes sense. I say this about our brand. So we are a brand with a mission to provide high quality, high performance products to our customers with exceptional service level. So simply reach out to our sales or contact me and give us chance to discuss your next project.
And like Suketu said, you can also find more information at ventevinfra.com. Hey, Suketu, I want to thank you again for joining us today.
Thank you very much, Jonathan.